Hi, I'm Daniel Lundquist from Birkenhead. You know, once in a while, a property really stands out. Welcome to your retreat, 77 Park Hill Road, Birkenhead. A unique 3-bedroom home with an easy care site and nestled amongst the natives, and a fantastic location to complete the picture. This is one that you don't want to miss out on. I look forward to seeing you at the open homes.